Hi, I'm Rob from the Magpie, the official Raspberry Pi magazine, and today I'm here to show you the Google AOI project kits for voice recognition.
Now, I'm really excited to show you this. It's the kit from the cover of this month's issue of the magazine.
It's a special kit that allows you to turn a Raspberry Pi into a voice-controlled virtual assistant using the Google Assistant SDK. On top of that, you can use the Google's Cloud Speech API.
Now, this enables you to hook up the kit to your own projects, allowing for custom commands you can create for the kit to recognize, such as turn the lights on or robot move forward. Now, this experimental system lets you add offline artificial intelligence to your projects, and these run directly on your Raspberry Pi.
Please do not do evil with your Raspberry Pi.
All of these individual software parts come together with the hat in here to bring natural human interaction into your Raspberry Pi projects. So here's what you're getting inside this kit. Right. First up is the all-important voice hat, which connects on top of your Raspberry Pi and allows this project to work. This also comes with a special microphone add-on board for the voice hat, so it can actually listen to your commands. There's also a speaker, a big button, a variety of wires and headers and stuff to get it all up. And finally, there is this cardboard bit, which is the standard Google way of creating a case for your projects. Now, all you need to get this to work is a Raspberry Pi 3, but it also works with a Pi 0 and a Raspberry Pi 2. Right, let's get building. Oh dear, I got this wrong around, didn't I? It was the way around, but it... And here it is, a little box that talks to you. Now, as well as the build instructions, which are in the magazine, there is some software set up, again in the magazine, and we've done that before, so here's an SD card we prepared earlier, so let's give it a test. Hello.
Hello there. What can I do for you?
What is the weather like in Orlando, Florida?
In Orlando, it's 21 and partly cloudy.
What is 2 plus 3?
The answer is 5.
What do you think of Alexa?
I like Alexa's cool blue light. Plus, we share an affinity for Star Wars.
So there you have it. This kit is available with all physical copies of issue 57 of the Magpie, the official Raspberry Pi magazine. Now don't forget, you can subscribe today to make sure you never miss an issue and get a free Raspberry Pi Zero W and a set of accessories with every 12-month print subscription. Find out more at the link magically appearing down here. For the Magpie, the official Raspberry Pi magazine, I've been Rob. See you next time.
Say goodbye, AOI.
See you later, alligator.